Hello class, my name is Juan Rivera, and my presentation today is about why igneous, sedimentary, and metamorphic rocks are important. Thank you. Now let's get on with the presentation. Igneous rock, obsidian. The color of obsidian can be deep black and blackish green. The texture is glassy and smooth. On the bottom right, you can see that this is how obsidian looks like, and the color is deep black, and you can see that the texture is glassy and smooth. Where can obsidian be found? In Arizona. Well, on this map, you can see where obsidian can be found, and it shows it's pretty much most of it's on top of where Flagstaff is at. And what's cool is that it's kind of spread around Arizona, so we could find it in Yuma, Maricopa, and many other places around Arizona. How is it used? It is used to make knives and arrowheads. It can also be used as jewelry, and here are the pictures of how they're used today. And on the top picture it shows that people who study how where humans came from, it shows that they use this type of rock to hunt and eat, and we wear it around our bodies. Sedimentary rock, limestone. Limestone shake can be round bulb-like, and it is found from hot spring deposits in lakes to coral reefs in the tropical oceans. And this is a picture of limestone. It looks like it's kind of like you could tell it's been on the ocean. It shows it just shows that it came from the ocean. Where is limestone found in Arizona? So you can see, well, in this picture it shows where limestone is found in Arizona. It doesn't say that where it's found, but where mostly the limestone is found is where it's near Flagstaff, right here next to the National Forest, and where it says Snowflake, that's where limestone is mostly found in Arizona. How is it used today? Limestone can help manufacture glass. Limestone can have fossils of animal or plant life. And in this picture, it shows that limestone could have fossil record of animals before us. And this picture shows how limestone is turning to glass from the heat and manufacturing to glass to bottles and stuff like that. So that's pretty cool and interesting that limestone can do that. Alright, so metamorphic rock marble. Marble forms from limestone that is adjusted to heat and pressure of metamorphism. So on this picture on the right, it's marble. It's just how marble looks like. Alright, where is marble found in Arizona? So marble is found on the very top of the state, and it's just a small section. It's called Marble Canyon, Arizona. And that's where marble is found. How is marble used today? Well, it's mostly used for floors and furniture, and then it's so beautiful it can be used as jewelry also. So in these pictures it shows that this person really loves marble, and they have the whole kitchen top and the floor covered in marble, and then it can also be used as jewelry. You can decorate it. The rock cycle. So I found this picture and it's so true that it's scary. Alright, so the rock cycle, it shows how igneous, if there's weathering, it turns into sedimentary. and it turns into sedimentary rock. And then if that happens, and then if sedimentary rock um, goes to weathering, the same thing as what happens to igneous, it turns into sedimentary material. With it's kind of crazy where the igneous rock with heat and pressure goes to metamorphic, and then with the melting and cooling from a metamorphic rock goes to igneous. And here's my works cited.